So before I get into my main video today, I'm just also going to be unboxing something that I got through the post. So let's see what I got. I don't know what I got. Actually, I do know what I got, but I can't remember the order in which I ordered it. So let's see. I ordered quite a lot of things for my house. So this one is a desk lamp. Oh, it is so cute. I'm gonna put this upstairs in my bedroom, but basically I wanted to have this kind of light bulb effect. I think it's pink in color and it's run by batteries. So, oh, and you can also plug it into a USB, like into the socket. So I'm gonna see if that works, or I'm gonna put it on later and see how it looks. So this will be at the background of some of my videos, but upstairs, if I do videos upstairs. Wow, like it. Ooh, okay, so this is my stainless steel peeler. There we go. Yeah, this is the stainless steel peeler because I want to be eating a lot more healthy food, and I want to eat a lot more of the courgette zoodles, and this would make it easier for me to make this. Nice. Oh, it feels like Christmas. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is my glass. This is the glass, people. Remember I was saying I needed to get a glass, basically to put my my fancy matcha lattes. This will be it. It's very nice, actually. I really like how it looks. Okay, fancy. All right. These are a godsend. So when I do my face and I wash my face at night or in the morning, the water always drips down. So I've got these for my wrists. So when I wash my face, hello, sort it out. I got two just because it's best to have two of everything. And oh, this is like a little thermometer. So this one is for when I'm making my matcha lattes, because I want it to be at the pristine temperature that everything will be really tasty. I won't burn the matcha and everything will work out well. Oh, I'm a little bit happy. I do like what I've ordered. And that's it, finished. Okay, now upstairs, let's go and see how this looks in my bedroom. Hi. Oh my gosh, I still have these on. Okay, let's take those off. Okay, so I think I want to put it here. So I've got already something there that it can hang on. I'm gonna try it up first with it being plugged in here like that, and we'll see. And I hope it works. I'm quite excited. Let's hang it up. Oh my god, oh my days, guys, this is so cute. I'm gonna show you. How cute is this? I absolutely love it. Oh, and this is like my study area, so this is like my thinking hat area. I love it. Oh, it's perfect. Right, I'm gonna turn the lights off and see how it looks. Okay, turn this light off. Oh, what vibes. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. Okay, let's see how it looks if I'm gonna do a proper filming. I like it. I think though I might think about moving it a bit lower. What do you think, guys? You think it should come a bit lower? I think it should be right next to me a bit on this level here. This might work better, but still, I'm happy. So right now I'm gonna go and finish off like my house chores that I need to do. Basically, I need to finish cleaning my house. I've been talking about this for a few days now. Once it's all done, then I will be leaving, but yeah, this is the last bit. And I think We're not gonna have very many days left of sunshine, so I'm gonna make the most of it and dry my stuff outside. Adulting. Hi guys, so this is the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Had a great time filming the video with the girls, and just want you to watch out for this space. I'm a bit tired now, so I'm gonna go, but I hope you join me for another video. Don't forget to subscribe, make sure you press the bell and get notifications. Thank you. Bye.